How to change the page size in Canva. To show you this, I'm gonna go to this top left corner here where it says resize and magic switch. I'm gonna click on this, and here where it says resize, you can choose between already made presets which you can use for your different sizes, like different types of logos, presentations, or social media posts. But we don't need that right now. We want to go to custom size when we scroll down here, and now you can type in whatever you need, like 2000 by 3000, and it will resize it for you. Now you can choose between the different modes like landscape and portrait. You can also lock in the aspect ratio, so when you increase this or decrease it, it will change the dimensions proportionally. You can also choose to square the whole page. Once you're done with this, you can press on continue, and then you can either choose to copy and resize, which will open your file in another tab, or you can resize this design and it will just crop it like this. And that's how you change the page size in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.